If walking feels harder than it used to, if your steps are slower, shorter, or just don't feel as steady, it's not just in your head, and it's not just getting older. There's one simple mistake many older adults make every single day while walking without even realizing it. And this mistake quietly raises the risk of falling. But here's the good news: fixing it is easy. And once you do, you can start walking with confidence again, maybe even today. Let's talk about it. Most people think walking carefully means walking safely, so they start to shrink their steps, look down at the ground, clamp their arms tightly to their sides, and stiffen their entire body like they're bracing for impact. But what feels cautious can actually be dangerous. Here's why. When you look down, your posture collapses, and that throws off your balance. When your arms stop swinging, your body loses its natural rhythm and coordination. And when your steps get smaller and stiffer, your muscles and joints lose their strength. You're not really walking, you're guarding. You're moving like the floor might give out. And that fear, it slowly rewires your brain and body to expect a fall. Let's pause for a second. Can you relate to that? Have you caught yourself shuffling or walking tight like that lately? If so, drop a comment below that just says, "That's me." You're not alone, and this next part is going to help. It's time to let go of the fear and move with freedom. This technique is taught to seniors all over the world. It's called the steady stride, and it has 4 simple parts. Step 1. Look ahead. Instead of looking down, focus your eyes about 10 to 15 feet in front of you. This helps realign your spine and activate your balance center. Step 2. Stand tall. Imagine a string lifting you up from the crown of your head. Open your chest, relax your shoulders. When your body is upright, your center of gravity becomes more stable. Step 3. Let your arms move. Let your arms swing naturally as you walk. When the left foot steps, the right arm swings forward and vice versa. This natural pattern stabilizes the body and keeps your core engaged. Step 4. Take longer, intentional steps. Don't force a big stride, but let your foot roll from heel to toe. Feel the ground, claim your space. That flowing movement tells your brain you're in control. Now, how do you reinforce this kind of walking? With just a few minutes a day of simple exercises: march in place, lift your knees and swing your arms. Builds rhythm and cardio coordination. Heel raises, stand tall, rise up onto your toes, then lower slowly. Strengthens calves and improves ankle control. Side steps, step out to the side, then return. Trains your body to handle sideways balance shifts. Wall posture press. Stand with your back against a wall, heels, hips, shoulders, and head all touching. Hold for 30 seconds. Realigns posture. Breath and balance reset. Inhale slowly. Exhale with purpose. Feel your body ground itself. This calms the nervous system and enhances focus. It only takes 5 minutes a day. And the return? More stability, more strength, more freedom. After a few days of moving like this, you'll start to notice. You're walking taller. You're moving smoother. You're catching yourself before you stumble. You're not just walking, you're leading. Because when you walk with purpose, the world responds. People see your strength. You feel it too. And it all starts with that first step. Try the steady stride today. Walk with intention. Walk with power. Walk with pride. If this resonated with you, leave a comment and tell me which part you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe, because your strongest, most confident days are just getting started. Let's keep moving together.